1972 MG MGB Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood, 4-speed manual transmission. As you can see, good looking paint on this car. Pale yellow, black vinyl interior, black vinyl top. Take a look at the chrome and the bumper up front, headlight surrounds. Shows nicely. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. And still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the wire wheels, radial tires. As we take a look down this passenger side, you can see paint's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, and again, has a nice shine to it. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason will take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. Of course, bucket seats, center console with that 4-speed shifter. I will also fold up the top, latch that down so you can see the condition of that, how it fits. We'll roll up the side glass, take a peek at that. There's the chrome, and the rear bumper also shows well. It's a great sounding car too. It's got a little bit of a rumble to it, believe it or not, for a MG. Also want to tell you a few of the things that are going to come with this. There is a repair manual with it, and then the old kind of dual carb setup that'll go along with it, the jack and some tools. There's also the cockpit cover and then the convertible top cover. We'll fold that all back up, put it in the trunk, and that will go to the next owner. And once again, still pictures where you'll be able to see all of that close up and more. uniqueclassiccars.com. Over 100 pictures of this car online. If you like these MGs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. We actually sell quite a few of these. If you like imported classics, like I said, go ahead and subscribe. And you never know what you'll see. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Let's take a little closer look at the interior door panel. Good shape. Again, black vinyl seat, no rips, tears, holes. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Like I said, we'll take a look underneath the hood. Check out this gauge cluster. Of course, there is a manual choke up here. Not going to need that indoors. There you can see tack is working. Fuel gauge came up. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Couple notes from the tech on this one. The stereo powered up but did not have any sound. The wipers work. Newer wheel cylinders. Brakes are 75% in the front, 70% in the rear. Told you this is a good sounding car. Slip around to the back. Door closes nicely. Listen to that. Told you it had a little bit of rumble for an MG. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then we'll put the top up and see how that looks. All right, if you can see the underside of the hood there, flat black, nice and clean. And here it is. 1.8 liter. Inline 4-cylinder. Looks like a Pierce intake manifold on it now. A little different carb setup. Sounds good. Looks good underneath there also. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this convertible top up. It's just a manual top. Take me a second to fold it up, latch it, roll the windows up. Let's check it out.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1972 model MGB from MG. This is a 4-speed manual right here on the center console. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Fuel gauge is showing about a half tank. The oil pressure is 60 to 70 psi. This car has a nice little rumble to it. And we're in fourth. Doing approximately 45 to 50 miles per hour. Our tachometer is working, showing 2,000 RPM. The temperature gauge is just coming up off the cold. Nice feel on this car. Smooth ride down the road. Very responsive steering in a small and nimble car. Nice steering wheel. With chrome and wood grain. Comfortable vinyl bucket seats. Appears to be mostly factory interior. This radio does light up. The clutch feels good in this car. Shifting is easy. This is a convertible, and of course the top is off today on this beautiful summer day. Got a little bit of traffic, so we'll have to go down to first gear again. Once we get going again, it's a busy day in the country. Fun to take corners with this little car. Nice responsive throttle. Very easy to drive, comfortable little car. I am 6'1" and I have plenty of room in this car. We do have the top off today, but lots of leg room, lots of elbow room, and easy to shift and drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this yellow MGB at uniqueclassiccars.com.